Hey guys, I'm on a boat. Yeah, that's the Sea of Shenzhen. Coming to the seaside, you can spend $200 to take a 1 hour boat tour in the shallow water. They're around 1 mile away from the bank, from the seaside. And totally, you can take 13 people get on the boat, and there also will be a net that's put into the water. If you are lucky to get some fish,
so if we are lucky today to get some fish,
get it cooked in the bank,
right?
which
The
can
other
be very
side of the
delicious.
mountains are Hong Kong, from Hong Kong. Right, the island is also in the territory of Hong Kong.